Namaste and welcome to our channel. Today's sequence shall be Vinyasa Yoga for Peak Pose Ardha Chandrasana by Tummy.com, a yoga sequencing app for yoga teachers. So previously we spoke about Vinyasa Yoga sequence for heart opening with side bending yoga poses. Hopefully you will be able to create Vinyasa sequences easily after watching the previous video. Today we will focus on a yoga sequence structured in such a way that the flow leads the student to do Ardha Chandrasana, that is the peak pose. Speaking about a pose like Ardha Chandrasana, there is active engagement of the legs and arms along with good balance. Now, this is an intermediate sequence, but can be sequenced for beginners as well with use of props like blocks and support of the wall. Basically, the sequence has intelligent selection of yoga poses that focus on the engaged muscles in the peak pose. Because the sequence revolves around balance, steady breathing is very important. Also, the yoga poses in the sequence are such that they work on the spine to twists, forward bends, engagement of core. Hence, after doing such a class, students will feel energized. We have divided the sequence into four parts. Part 1, yoga poses working on warming up the upper body through lateral bends, back bends, and activation of arms. That is until this pose. Part 2, yoga poses working on warming up the legs and developing balance in students. That goes up to this pose. Part 3, yoga poses working on upper body and lower body for bringing a sync between the two. That goes up to this pose. And lastly, part 4, various lunge variations along with twists preparing for Ardha Chandrasana, doing the peak pose, its variations and counter poses. As we are scrolling through the sequence, notice that the poses start at an active level. So one such sequencing tip is define your peak pose into various focus regions. First, work on warming it up and strengthening to be able to enter into the peak pose. So we start with Urdhva Hastasana. In every pose in this sequence, ask yourself, how does this pose help in doing the peak pose? We are developing breath awareness and opening the muscles in the back, abdomen, arms, neck, and the shoulders. From here, students go into Urdhva Namaskarasana, adding up to the warm up of the torso. Slowly going into a side bend, that is Parshva Urdhva Hastasana, giving greater stretch to the muscles in the side of the lower back. Doing it on the other side, the student releases the pose to do standing pelvic circles, warming up the hip region, increasing the mobility around that region. With clockwise and anti-clockwise activation, students head to standing side bend variations where the stretch is felt from the hips going up to the arms. Ask the students to focus on their breathing, especially in a flow. We repeat this side bend on the other side of the body. In vinyasa sequences, poses are held for 3 to 4 breaths and then the students head to the next pose. After lateral bend, students do gentle back bend, starting with standing back bend pose, where they're supporting the lower back with their palms. This pose will help in improving balance of students along with developing gentle breathing. Taking this a little deeper, students release their arms to do Baddha Hasta Utthita Sthiti Salabhasana, where the palms are interlocked at the back. Notice the chest, the lower back, the neck, and the shoulders. Once students release both these poses, they will feel a sense of vibration and activation in their facial region. And that is because of the blood circulation to the region and creation of new energy. Next, the students start with gentle balancing practice. In Urdhva Hastottanasana, with an inhale, students rise up onto their toes. And with an exhale, they feel the complete stretch in the body. As they do this, ask the students to tighten their leg muscles to feel light once they're on their toes. So all these poses is grounding the feet of the students, as the peak pose is a standing balance pose. So after warming up the upper body, creating breath awareness and developing a sense of grounding in the feet, we head to warm ups for the legs and further balancing poses. So head to the second part by clicking on the end card, and if you like our videos, please do subscribe now. Thank you and see you there.